Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your Pinterest account into a business account and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin our video, you need to go and open Pinterest application on your device. Once you open the application, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, and here you will find your profile. Here you need to tap on it. Once you tap on that, just under settings, you will find account management. You need to tap on that. It will bring you here, and here you will find convert to a business account. You need to tap on that. It will bring you here, and they say grow your business or brand with tools such as ads and analytics. So if you want to switch to a business account, just tap on convert account. And the first thing you need to do here is to choose a profile name. So guys, once you choose a profile name, the next thing you need to do is to tap on next. And here, if you have a website, you need to enter the website address here. And if you don't have, so you need to tap on no website yet. And here, describe your business. You need to read all the options here, that what your business is all about. So you need to choose one and then tap on next. So once you choose the option, tap on next, and here on this page they are asking that would you ever interested in running ads on Pinterest. So if you're interested, you can say yes, if not, no, and I will choose I'm not sure yet, and then tap on next. And guys, this is it. This is how you can change your Pinterest account into a business account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.